All right, good Saturday morning, everybody. I'm thrilled to report that we don't have any ice storms or snowstorms, which we've had the last couple Saturdays when we've come on with you, but we do have some fog. Now, this camera is elevated. We do have fog at the surface, but it's not quite as dense as what might be implied by looking off the ground in Grand Rapids. And the thickest of the fog around I-96, but particularly northward, that's where the winds are the lightest. I had mentioned this yesterday morning. The atmosphere is very stagnant. We weren't going to have as many winds this morning as yesterday, so there was this chance for fog, and we've seen it recently, but lesser down to the south, including South Haven, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek. Here's the day planner. We go really nowhere, starting off around 35 or 36, and still situated about 36 this afternoon. There can be a touch of mist or drizzle, as is often the case with some fog. Not a whole lot of precipitation coming out of these clouds, though, this morning. This afternoon, a little bit better chance for some sprinkles, flurries, couple light rain and snow showers, even, as winds will generally be out of the south or southwest today at about 5 to maybe 10 miles per hour or so. Yes, a few snow showers the second half of today. I don't think a whole lot overnight tonight, but probably a little bit better chance for a few snow showers to return on Sunday. Nothing more than a dusting or light coating through this weekend. Mild temperatures overall continuing. We'll have highs in the middle 30s by and large, and no big storms over the next 7 to 10 days. If there's going to be a change in this pattern, it will likely be during the middle of the first week of February. So we've still got some time to go before a pattern change. And as I've talked about the last several mornings, and when you get this type of a pattern this time of year, you're just slicing days off the calendar where it could be much, much worse. And we just don't have that right now out to the west and the northwest. Typically where the weather comes from, the air is not Arctic as of right now. Winds out of the south or the southwest, especially for sections I-94 and southward, 5 to 10 miles per hour. A little bit elevated from there in some isolated cases. Feels like temperatures or wind chills upper 20s to around 30 degrees. Here's the latest look from the Climate Prediction Center over the next couple weeks. The pattern is still mild over the entirety of the lower 48. You don't see any departures from average. Actually, you do down in South Florida. Maybe a little bit cooler for those folks, but they can handle that because their daytime high averages are like around 70 to 75 there towards Miami. So no complaints from them. Low pressure here on the southern end of Lake Michigan. That is slowly working to the north-northeast, not moving a whole lot. We'll start to pick up a little bit more pace later this afternoon and evening into Sunday and Monday and shoot off to the east at that time. On the backside, there is the snow band, and there are some inches of snow that are to be recorded, I think, out to the west of Chicago, especially. Chicago proper kind of seeing lesser amounts of snow early today, but perhaps a 2 to 4 inch snow or so for central and western portions of Illinois to start it off. Not for us, though. Just some spotty mist and drizzle right now. Yes, the radar's indicating some purples, which would mean a snowflake. I don't think there's a whole lot of that going on, but there could be a couple snowflakes as we go late morning into the afternoon. Watch the model. Here it is at lunchtime, showing a couple flurries, yes, and then I think the greater potential for flurries or a snow shower will be this afternoon and evening heading into Sunday. Nothing we can't handle, though, folks. May there be a dusting or coating? Yes, it's possible, but these temperatures are actually pretty mild even overnight tonight. We're not going to get much lower than the lower 30s. There's the total snowfall anticipated. Right on track with that dusting or coating I'm talking about, and no changes. Look at this. From the last few days, we've still got mid-30s going well into next week.